Okay, so I did the thing at Michael's. I bought the mystery box for $10. Now I had $10 in reward, so technically I guess I got it free. So let's see what's in here. I kind of peeked, and I know it's fall and maybe some Halloween. All right, for 10 bucks, what do we get? We got, cool, a 3D craft kit. My 10-year-old, well, she'll be 11 by that point. She'll love this. Super, super cute. Got some stickers. And then this is, I guess, a little craft kit. Oh my gosh, this is right up her alley. Ick, ick. It's a little scratched, so I wouldn't put it on a wreath, but I could put it out for my own self. I like that. I think it's a light up brain. Does that look like a brain to you? Let me see if it says anything on there. It just says it's LED, but I don't know. But it kind of sort of looks like a brain, maybe. I don't know. If I had a brain, maybe I'd know. Cool. Awesome. I can use these in a wreath. Bone picks. Score. Wow, what is this? Color a witch hat. My daughter is going to go insane. Oh my gosh. Did I buy this for her or for me? I don't know. It's kind of starting to look like her. A pre-made bow. Well, this is nice. I like the ones I make, but these aren't bad. These aren't bad. The retail price on this was $9.99. So, yeah, I definitely can do something with that. Cool. So this is a shadow box, and this was $14.99. I guess it's a shadow box. So you could put like pom-poms or candy corn or something like that inside. That's going to make a really cute decor item. And I think it's paintable. Yep. Fillable and paintable. Another eek sign. Another eek sign. This is a little light up pumpkin. Woo! It's got a suction cup too. So I can like stick them on the window or something like that. That'd be cool. A paintable bat. Now this I could probably paint and put on a wreath. My painting skills are terrible, but I can at least try. All right. And then a light up suction cup ghost and a pumpkin. So cute. What are these? Oh, these are little plastic drinking cups that say grateful. They probably would hold wine or some whiskey shots. I'm just saying. Oh, and these ones say thankful and blessed. Oh, this is heavy. A plate. Thankful. This might be nice if I made somebody some cookies or something and I could give that to them on this and they could keep the plate. Let's see what else. Coming to the end here. This looks like a little tin that just says Happy Halloween. If I took the lid off, this could make a really cute planter too. So, not bad. Then there is a roll of burlap. I love the color on that. And then one lone little pumpkin. But I think I have ones that are similar, and I liked them. I put them on top of a bigger pumpkin. So, really cute. So, for 10 bucks, well, I think I scored pretty well. My daughter made out like a bandit. So now I just have to hide this and store it till next Halloween so she doesn't see it. All right. Well, happy belated Halloween, Thanksgiving.